Take a look with me at the numbers for the Fargo area. A 42-degree day, 26 that average high temperature for this time of the year, and typically our low is right around 10 degrees. Oh, it's just been lovely. Hey, records are only in the low 50s this time of the year, and in Grand Forks, records are in the 40s. Oh, we're only 6 degrees from that record in Grand Forks. Right now, we have mostly moony skies over the FM area, a few high clouds. 24 degrees as we hold in the mid-20s right now. 27 at Moorheads Airport, the wind light. It's been a cool day up near Lake of the Woods. Down into northern Beltrami County, 20s there most of the day. You haven't cooled off a lot. You're still in the low 20s and upper teens for Roseau this hour. Cooling in Grand Forks to 20, and Jamestown seeing a lot of cooling as well. But again, keep in mind with those average highs around 25 degrees, you could see we're sitting pretty good for heading into the overnight hours. Here's a look at that satellite and radar showing a few flakes. It's possible we could see some flurries up in northwest Minnesota, as we mentioned earlier tonight. We'll talk more about flakes at the end, so stay tuned because we could have some changes that may put some flakes on the ground before we get to the long stretch of the holiday season ahead. Your hour-by-hour forecast shows clouds, spotty flurries, and the coolest weather up near the Lake of the Woods area. As we go through the overnight hours and into the morning, we may have a remnant flurry or two. I don't expect any significant accumulation out of this activity, with most of our area starting out the day in the 20s to get going out the door. We're going to see a few clouds tomorrow, and the big difference will be a northwest or a north wind as we go through your day. Those winds could be 10 to 20 miles per hour, so we'll feel a difference in the morning. But in the afternoon, our western counties will see enough sun for those green colors to return. That means a few of us will have a shot at 40 degrees once again, and a breezy afternoon. Passing clouds, and once again, the coolest part of the region will be northwest and north central Minnesota. The coldest of the year does not make its way back into the valley for another gorgeous day in Fargo and points west. Here's a look at your hour-by-hour forecast. In Fargo, 26 to start things out. Then as we go into the afternoon, we'll see the temperature soaring to around 40 degrees, a little cooler than today. And remember, those winds, 10 to 20 miles per hour. Passing clouds, particularly in the second half of the day in Fargo. Your hometown forecast shows the best chance at the greens or 40s will be in that James River Valley. So instead of 47 or 48 degrees, low to mid 40s at best. And it'll even warm up a little bit near Lake of the Woods. As opposed to 20 degrees, you'll be closer to 30. More on those flakes in a second, but let's enjoy Rick Craig's work here. The timing photographers have to have and that they take, it's just so impressive. This is immaculate. Thank you so much for your old barn shot and your can-do. Hey, here's Sunday, even better. A little less in the way of winds. Not a bad close to the weekend, and it continues on Monday, it continues on Tuesday, it continues on Wednesday. Broken record, and I'm okay with that. Now Thursday, there's a chance of a few flakes. Friday, increasing clouds and cooler, but I'm really watching Saturday. Let me show you in bonus coverage, Mike Markin, bonus coverage of what we're expecting. Thursday, just a little weather hiccup. Some getting rain, some getting a little bit of snow, a possibility. It's not a sure set thing. Models don't agree on this, but this is the European model showing a big area blue. But the focus point of this storm system does appear to be south. That's where we see the dark blues. There'll be heavier snow. That's getting into the 12th of the month, Mike Markin, so almost halfway through before significant snow. We'll see how it goes, and we'll keep you apprised.
All right, thanks so much.